What's up, YouTube? Back with you guys with another video. Yes, I know it's been a minute, but right now we're getting ready to go check out my boy's Buick. Well, he's an old friend of the family, so we're gonna go check out his Buick. Y'all know I got this Buick right here. His is all original. It's not LS swapped and all that crazy stuff. He's old school, so we're gonna go check his out, and we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we just made it, so we're gonna check the car out. He did have somebody painted. He had somebody painted and stuff, so let's see how it look. What's up? Oh, I can see the flake in it though.
You got some flake on this side over here. The surrounds.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's that flake, ain't it?
That flake standing up. Yeah. Yeah.
You got to buff it down. See, then you can look back here. See, it looks like it's. You can do it good.
Yeah, he could have did better, man.
I didn't pay him all the money. I wouldn't take shit back to him no more.
Yeah. Yeah, he didn't sand it down enough. There's some spots he missed on there. Yeah, I mean, damn. Yeah, you gotta for sure all of that.
You can't buff all this out, huh?
If it's in the clear, now I don't know if it's in the clear in the paint though. I have to do like a little test spot to see if the cause we use like 2,000 grit, 1,000 grit for like clear, and if it turned red, then we know, okay, well, no, it's in the paint. If it's just white powdery stuff, you're good, and then you can buff it out.
Okay.
So it might just be in the clear though. I can't tell without scuffing it a little bit.
Yeah. Looks like it's clear.
It's probably on the clear. Yeah, probably be all right.
Yeah.
Buff them out real good.
You ain't seen wrong.
Yeah, you gotta cut all that out.
You gotta cut it out or buff it out?
Buff it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good and rough.
Yeah, that's the flake though. Yeah.
So I put them up. I went to after we just charged me 3,000.
Uh-huh.
I said, man, I ain't finna get no that you 1,800.
Yeah. Did he do any? He didn't do no body work or nothing.
Well, it was a patch. It was a spot somewhere over here.
Yeah. He had to
fix that.
Yeah.
I think you could do better.
Yeah.
So he was bragging about how good he could paint and all this. I don't know if you know the best name, Wild Bill.
Nuh-uh.
But anyway, he was talking about how good he paint. He do custom jobs and all this shit. I'm gonna let him do that car right there.
Like now you like
No.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna let him do nothing to my car.
Yeah.
I'm take probably my boss so he can get a trailer.
Yeah.
And drive it down to Houston. They paint cars in Houston for goddamn $1,000.
Oh yeah.
They putting three
coats of clear.
3 coats of clear and 3 What's up, O'Reilly? Oh, nothing we got on the phone with you, Jamie O'Reilly, folks.
It's a nice color though. It's a little wind.
I got my emblem and stuff. I know.
Oh yeah, put all your stuff back on. Yeah.
What you doing, Riley? I'm talking to him. I'm talking to paint. You paint too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Escalade that motherfucker change colors. You got Yeah.
I'm pretty much done with my Buick.
Yeah.
You ain't seen it yet? The pink one?
Yeah, I did see it.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I'll probably wait till I buff it and then get them put on. Hey, you know somebody that do some welding? My bar's broke over here.
Oh, for the top? Yeah.
But Peter them said they could weld this, but they said I had to take my top off. I went to Josh.
Yeah.
And Josh talking about $1,800 putting a whole nother top.
Yeah.
But this other man said he got a fire resistant blanket, he could do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Instead of taking the whole top off.
Yeah.
I had to do a new top.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I bought the top and then my Mexican partner put it on for $800.
Oh yeah? How much did the top cost?
$1,200.
Oh, that's $2,000.
But I got the back glass window and everything.
Oh, you got the glass instead of black?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So just that back window was like $500. That's why it was more. The top really don't cost that much.
What you up to, Riley? You at the saw work?
Get that back on there. Heck yeah, let me chop it up with him real quick, y'all, and see what we gonna do. All right, guys, we checked it out, man. It's a nice car though. He got some nice old schools. I should have showed y'all the other one a little bit more, but he said he drove the other one. He drove it all the way to Dallas, so that's a nice little ride from where we're at. So. But that's cool. We're gonna try to help him out a little bit, see, man, what we can do. Custom Instinct. We might go ahead and help him buff it out, or at least show him how to do it, so he can be ready for the summertime. We're gonna be ready, and y'all know how it go. But yeah, this gonna be a short one, guys. I know it's been a little while. I've been busy working on my house, trying to get my house straight. And then, guys, I do work a day job, so I still gotta work and make money and take care of the family and get stuff done. So already, we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.